How can I get approved for a bad credit car loan? Just like any company, banks and other lending institutions are in business to make money. And because more and more people are struggling with bad credit than ever before, banks and lending institutions have been forced to become more lenient in their lending requirements. Because they can't be quite as exclusive as in the past, some have added a bad credit car loan department that you could use to your advantage. With some of our tips, we hope to answer the question of, how can I get approved for a bad credit car loan? If you have bad credit, it will be a necessity for you to find an expert in bad credit car financing. These experts aren't always easy to find, and that's why FederalAutoLoan.com has made the effort to partner up with hundreds of them across the nation. We've made it possible for you to skip the step in which you run around town hoping to find a lender willing to finance you, all the while praying that the dealership will have the car you want. If you're looking for advice on how to improve your chances of financing approval in the future, these tips may be able to help you for when the time comes. Tip 1. Bring your credit score up as much as possible before you apply. This tip is probably the most obvious, but it also makes the most difference. Make your current payments consistently, and soon lenders and dealers will be fighting for your business even more. Tip 2. Have a relatively stable job history. Lenders and dealers want to be sure that you will have a steady income throughout your loan term. Tip 3. Live in the same place for a good amount of time. Lenders and dealers love stability, and you don't want them to think that they could lose track of you later on. Tip 4. Save up for a down payment. You will pay less each month in both interest and monthly dues because your loan amount is less. You're also likely to receive a lower interest rate if you have a fair down payment. Tip 5. Make sure there are no mistakes on your credit report. If you notice any inaccuracies, dispute them immediately. Lastly, Tip 6. Click the link below and fill out our free application form, and we'll try to match you up with one of those experts in bad credit financing. You deserve the chance for bad credit car loan approval, and we'd like to help improve those chances for you. FederalAutoLoan.com. Good credit, bad credit, no credit. All good.